Kodak Black goes live before boarding his private jet and talks women, Florida, his new tour, rappers, and more. Yo, let's get into it.
We ain't showing mine till we you know.
Okay.
I mean, you know shit, you know film them, but.
On that line, I was about to go show the big boy. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
Fuck really
What that one on the back? Huh?
Hey, that's crazy, right? Them 3 middle numbers, that's my son's phone number.
That's your phone number?
Yeah, after 754, that's his phone number. They say go on tour. Alright. Be going on tour. Shy Baby going on tour with me, man. Got Shy Baby going on tour. Shy Baby and YFG Fatso. Now, other than that, shoots, I'm on girls.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for me, man.
If I P ass you. What? Netherlands. I played with Charles on FIFA before. Yeah.
You want some more of this or you done?
Yeah. I was somewhere. Thank you. Just a little bit. No, I don't drink soda less than codeine. Yeah. It's thundering in VA. And then after I do that, I'm gonna go on a love tour. Touring all the, that'll be tour to all the states and cities where my favorite girls at. I gotta have some more babies. All the movies and my shit, I'm gonna go. Yeah, everybody see. Next album drop. That jet right here, this look good. It's alright. This ain't big enough for my landing. I'm a big old vulture. I'm with that Brody waiting for the private jet. I don't wait for a private jet. The jet waiting for me. You feel me? Yeah.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for me, man.
Money. Let's put this on there right quick. Doing amazing, but we almost perfect. No.
Kill that album, my boy.
Hold on, wait. I didn't hear what you called it. Yeah, no, my real dog boss send me money. Hold on, don't close it yet.
Don't close it yet.
Yeah, I said don't close it, man.
Don't close it yet.
Yeah, I said don't close it yet.
Don't close it yet. Okay. Think about it back out.
Yeah. Oh, that's that like that girl Georgiana.
I love that beat too.
Just so she go like, Yeah, what she said. I ain't gonna lie, I don't want to feel like a bitch or something. Talking about putting my thing in the thing, and then looking at her like, and shit. She got baby though. Looks good. I like all girls look good when they got gold teeth in their mouth, sis. When they got gold teeth in their mouth, is it was like PNB rock.
What?
PNB rock with the spinning in this game. Yeah, man. My boy. Hey, look. What else? What else? You so fun. Thank you, baby. No, I ain't ready yet. My friend. Okay? Alright.
Not yet.
Yeah, not yet. Okay. Look what I'm trying. Look, y'all out of sight. Y'all does the go see her every day. Hell no. Look. What am I telling you? What am I telling them? Look, right? Hold this like this. Going right there. Yeah.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for me, man.
You got that right. See if you got that right. See if you got that right. What was I saying? Huh?
See if you got it right.
That's the only thing that I got.
Huh?
We're gonna sleep and we're gonna make money.
Huh? No, what was I telling these guys? Oh, Scarlet Black over there looking like Rihanna. Over there. Scarlet Black, girl, you over there looking like Rihanna. A little piece. What was I saying, man? Yeah, all of that, stuff like that, yeah. You feel me? Take a good little nap on this shit. You feel me? Right quick. On my jet. Wait till y'all see what my shit doing to it. Ha 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 ha. That what G-Herbo cousin right now. G-Herbo and Yungeen, them boys doing that shit real. And of course, Kodak, but you already know that. I mean, yeah, that. Hey, what that last night? Tease that bitch say, Diddy Gator do with his name. Front of my name, the nigga Fonzworth Bentley.
Oh yeah.
What do you saying?
Yo, I ain't never finna watching that video. They said they gotta get the nigga name either Fonzworth or Bentley or some shit. The nigga Gene Deal.
Oh, so that was the nigga real name. First name, at first. His name was Gene Deal?
No, that's who was talking about it in the interview. You watching this thing.
Oh.
I ain't
Well, I know that nigga said something about the Tony De Niro and this, that. So when Brett came along, that was his name at first.
No, Fonzworth Bentley wasn't his name. No.
No. I'm just finna walk off right quick. Okay, guys, we're gonna walk to my jet. We're gonna walk to my jet. You from Milwaukee, bro? Hey, yo. I like Milwaukee. I feel like okay, after the rape, I don't know what. Like what order. But I think this might be the order. Where the best? Well, I don't know, cause I ain't been everywhere yet. Not everywhere. Oh, bro, how the when I say that, bro? Right? I look, boom. I look. That bitch say 611 up on there. Hey yo, come on. Yo, what's up? What's up, bro? Nothing chilling. Huh?
You gotta stay with your aircraft, homie.
I gotta stay with my aircraft?
Yeah.
Come. You know where you know which one is my aircraft?
That one right now.
No, oh yeah, right,
Not the
right
one that you
now.
bought. I don't know which
Okay.
one, what your tail number is.
Okay,
The one
okay.
you bought?
Yeah, we be all around this
That's
motherfucker.
yours now.
Yeah, that's a big boy. That's a big boy, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yes.
Can't get bigger than this.
Can't get bigger than that, huh? Yeah, bro. How the fuck, bro? Motherfucker be trying to play a nigga like, I ain't know my shit. Like, I don't do my shit. Everybody who came, everybody who life I carry my tooth, fam, they get richer. They get more money. Can't nobody ever say they got into my life and they stress. And they stress. If they want to, that's them. How these niggas, motherfuckers be haters, man. Motherfuckers be haters. Motherfuckers be haters. So before they just leave and be like, man, you know what, man, bro's a real nigga, man. We just ain't work out or agree to disagree. They want to say, you know what, I'm going to make him look like he don't want to see me do. He's a hater. He don't want, like, I don't even think about you. Yeah, I'm just going to walk on my shit like that. That's what I want to do. I'm probably going to think about you. I ain't want to I'm gonna smoke me a yike on. Yeah, I just gonna smoke me a yike on my shit quick. For good days, for good, what you call it?
Good luck.
Yeah, and it's June, bro. So yeah. So, the stripper pole? Just chill. Yeah, it's coming. Yeah, man. Yeah. Hey, well, a couple, boy, we gonna have like it's our car shows, plane shows.
Yes, sir.
One, all the rich motherfuckers gotta fly to our.
Ain't nobody could do it.
Niggas gotta fly to our airport in Hungary. You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
And landing on our, what you call it,
Our
come
airstrip.
through your airstrip like a runway, a red carpet or a purple carpet like the Soul Plane. We name that bitch so. Ooh, that better be glad. And we fuck Ross. We let Ross do the car, his car show. You feel me?
Plane show.
Yeah, man. Yeah, all of them boy on that Ross capitalized on they done. Yup. And that Ross capitalized. Man, they just get do it, but like, but me and Ferrari Fred, that's we ripping that Bad Boys, Broward and Dade boys. Bad Boys, Broward and Dade. Bad Boys, Broward and Dade boys. Me, Robbie, Fred, and Jay, my nigga Jay. And yeah, big boy. We jump in and like, oh yeah, man, oh no, he ain't got no jet. He ain't got no jet with him, just, you know what I mean? It's like, oh yeah, jets must be like 10 M's and all that. I seen a little thread my little cousin sent me. And then somebody else said, well, you know, rich people know all type of rich people. You never know, somebody will probably gift him the jet. And then another comment said, man, who want to gift a meth head, a dirty meth head, a jet? Who the hang around? Yeah, like what rich people want to hang around? Yeah, I don't know nobody kill for that. No damn. I'm like, no. Niggas stay be dick drinking. Y'all stay with a drink a nigga dick. Ever drink a nigga dick, you know what I mean? Fuck. Stay with a drink a nigga dick. Oh, say 1,611 on that bill. Yeah. Happy Z, Cuban. What's up, baby? Taylor told me I should know the
Did you give those guys ice?
yeah. You need to do everything in your life to prove it now, cause like.
No coffee.
You know what you should do, Q, man?
Alright.
Q, man, you know what you should do to show me that you love me and all that stuff? That's what you do to show me that you love me right quick. Lock yourself in the basement voluntarily, right? Yeah. And then we gonna have a doctor. We gonna have a doctor come make your like your coochie brand new. That's for any my wife, not even just what you call it.
They got that though.
Yeah,
They got that new shit.
this a whole new. You niggas ain't had this. You niggas ain't had this.
That rejuvenation coochie, 15,000.
Yeah, you niggas ain't had this. Baby shit, baby got 2-year-old coochie. I know, man. I ain't even had no DIDDY. Man, baby, I love you. I don't mean no crazy. If I love you, if I love you, I love you, baby. Yeah. When you were just my John, I'm talking about John. You were lit, but you know, after me, that sound like everybody else be lame. Everybody else be lame. Everybody else be lame. After me, love. I don't know who all they was. That's him. I don't want to them niggas. That's why, like, bro, like, I be so single and so celibate, bro. And say they be fucking bitch. They be smelling my dick. You know what I mean? And say they smell my shit. Cause, bro, every time I hood, bro, they go to begging for my dick. They go to always just wanting my dick. They go to fiending for my dick. Oh, daddy, can you please do this? I'm like, damn, bro. You want money. You want money or no gifts. You just want to take dick. Like, damn, bro. The f***. Yeah, bro, they don't even want my breath. I'm like, damn, bro, you don't want no money? Damn, bro. This new haircut, new lineup, all type of shit. Come on, spray bucker out, all type of shit. Hold on, shit. Oh, yeah, you smell. What you call it? I just want dick. That's it. Like, hey, y'all, bitch, you don't see this lineup? Oh, Nigga wanna bust them all and shit like that. Then you be like, man, I'm man, bitch. I need to pay me. So you be like, bro, like, niggas just want to fight and all that shit. Bro, one thing about it, what's so crazy, like, bitch, we do all the work. Niggas do all the work. We don't want to do this. Switch it up. Figure four. All that crazy. You feel me? We ain't down there talking about, yeah. Niggas say, bro, you gotta get clean. You gotta clean up, man. Shit, man. Like I lose sleep. I look like I lose sleep. Forget to eat. I look like I forget to eat and lose sleep. Hey, okay. See that what I be talking about?
Yo, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Positivity over negativity at all times. Y'all stay elevated, man. Love y'all. Gone.